Last time करता नवो सारो जाए.
Yes, super duper hit.
Super duper hit. तो आयो ने.
Myself Jigar, President Jewelers Association Ahmedabad. Welcome to all of you. Today's Jewelry World exhibition. It is held on the YMCA Club, SG Highway. You should be find over here 925 silver jewelry, 14-18 karat diamond jewelry, lab-grown jewelry, and even though a jewelry around the India, when you find in a one place, and the place name is called Jewelry World's Exhibitions. When you found antique jewelry, Chadao, Polki, lab-grown diamond, 14-18 karat, 925 silver jewelry, and beads from the Jaipur. We can find the beads jewelry even though you can find over here. Welcome to all of you in the world of jewelry. That means Jewelry World Show. Thank you so much.
Where all these jewelers have come from?
These all jewelers are coming from the different cities like Surat, Jaipur, Mumbai, Baroda, Jamnagar, which is now famous from the Jamtara. The jewelry is there, Kutch, Bhuj, or even the Karnataka. Most of the cities they have to come over here and showcase this jewelry.
What is the footfall that you are expecting? How many?
Approximately 10 to 20,000 footfalls in a 3 days have been accepted.
And how is the tariff changes in the tariff and
There is no
gold
tariff
prices,
change and you should be says that tariff is already there. 50% tariff by the US government. So what I have to suggest is that the rate is a good to buy nowadays and the rate correction from the 10% is coming now. So I hope so that this jewelry exhibition is rocking with the good rate.
And the jewelry you have displayed here are all originals or means the
Yes, ma'am. The all kind of jewelry over is the real jewelry. This is not a fake jewelry. Suppose I am standing behind the stall of silver frame jewelry, and you can find a lots of jewelry over there, which is called a 925 jewelry, which is valuable. Written value is there. When the silver prices are going upward, I think so. There is a trend is right now when silver jewelry is rocking. Even though you can take some pictures from the silver jewelry in the silver frames, you can find it there is a beads over there. When we will sold a gold and manufacturing gold items, but now the silver will be there in the place of the gold. So everything will be running on, which is depend on the
with
customer.
the proper hallmark. And
Yes, everything will be there. Without remarking, you could not stand over here, any kind of jewelry store and an exhibition, as per the law.
As regards your association, how many members are there?
My association, I have a 550 plus 22 association. Totally, I would say it's 2,200 plus members we have around Gujarat, and we will support this show since last 5 years, as the many of our members are participating in this show.
Is it first of its kind of exhibition here?
No, it's a 5th year that we are supporting this show,
An
and I
annual
think
affair.
so. It's annually 2 shows will be found over here.
सो ये ज्वेलरी वर्ल्ड एग्जीबिशन 3 दिन का एग्जीबिशन है और यहाँ पर सारे ज्वेलर्स इंडिया से आए हैं। जयपुर से बहुत सारे ज्वेलर्स आए हैं, हैदराबाद से है, बेंगलोर से है, बॉम्बे से बहुत सारे ज्वेलर्स हैं, सूरत से एग्जिबिटर्स हैं और ये बहुत सारी वैरायटी लाते हैं। इनफैक्ट जिनको भी ज्वेलरी लेनी हो वो यहाँ पर आके सब ज्वेलर्स से ज्वेलरी कंपेयर कर सकते हैं और जो लेटेस्ट ज्वेलरी यहाँ से आके वो खरीद सकते हैं।
खास करके लेटेस्ट ज्वेलरी आपको आपने भी विजिट किया, कौन सी लगी आपके हिसाब से?
सो यहाँ पर अभी डिज़ाइन देखोगे तो इस साल के लिए बहुत सारे नए डिज़ाइंस आए हैं। विक्टोरियन को बहुत फ्यूजन किया हुआ है, अलग अलग ज्वेलरी के साथ विक्टोरियन और जड़ाव किया हुआ है, विक्टोरियन और पोल्की किया हुआ है, तो बहुत सारी कॉम्बिनेशन ज्वेलरी अभी चलने लग गई है। और इनफैक्ट बहुत लेयर्ड सेट्स चल रहे हैं। सो इनफैक्ट आपको सारी वैरायटी, इतनी वैरायटी दिखेगी कि आपको कहीं पर भी इतनी सारी मैक्सिमम वैरायटी नहीं मिलेगी।
और आपके रिपीट कस्टमर्स का क्या फीडबैक है?
रिपीट कस्टमर्स को आना ही पड़ता है यहाँ पर, बिकॉज अभी उनके क्लाइंट बेस बन चुके हैं। जैसे अहमदाबाद के बहुत सारे क्लाइंट्स उनसे रेगुलरली लेते हैं, उनके फ्रेंड्स लेते हैं। इनफैक्ट यहाँ पर अहमदाबाद के उनके पास उनका क्लाइंट शेयर बहुत हो चुका है, क्लाइंट बेस बहुत बड़ा हो चुका है, इसलिए उनको साल में 2 बार आना ही पड़ता है अपने क्लाइंट्स के लिए।
2 रिंग के भी निकाल।
બીજો નંબર મોકલ્યો ભરતભાઈનો મોકલ્યો કાં તો કરણભાઈને, બેમાં